Well, hey! Fish right there! They're right here, look at him! Look! Hey! Hi! Look, Juanita! Look, they're right here!
That was awesome. Hey peeps.
Hello!
We
Hold on.
got our special guest with us, Abu.
We brought Abu!
Yep.
Yep! Say hi! Say hi!
We tried to do a ramp for him to see if it would be easier to get on and off the boat. We got a little tweaking to do with that.
It kind of failed.
A little bit. Yeah. Last night as he tried it at the house, Juanita goes, Mike, do you think that's going to crack? No. He goes down it. It cracked.
How's that again? It broke in half.
Yeah. But we were able to fix it a little bit to where we could bring it onto the boat. He went down it really well. We're just having an issue getting him up. The pitch is kind of steep, and he's my old man. He's my old doggy, so. But we're trying to figure it out for him. At least it's not hot like it was last time we brought him.
This is true. It's a little windy, a little chilly.
Just a little bit. Yep.
But
yeah, we're gonna work on the fuel gauge.
yes.
Mike's gonna get it fixed because we're just a little scared-ed
Apprehensive.
when we go out and we really don't know how much gas we have.
We troubleshooted it, and by our troubleshooting techniques, it says we need a new fuel gauge. So let's go buy a new fuel gauge. All right, it's a little windy. We bought a new fuel gauge. We hooked it up, and yep, you're right. It doesn't work. So, I guess maybe
You're joking.
we got it wrong. Anyway, so back to troubleshooting.
Really?
What do you do when you're frustrated? Frustrated?
You eat hummus and dip.
Eat hummus and dip. Eat hummus and chips.
Yeah.
Eat hummus.
Eat hummus and chips. Juanita's been having a rough 2 days, just FYI, so I'm going to apologize ahead of time for not being able to speak correctly.
It may be actually really, really funny. However,
For some of us, not for all of us.
for those of us that are watching. Anyway, we're gonna have some hummus and chips.
Yes, hummus and chips.
And then once I'm not as frustrated, we'll continue to troubleshoot. Anyway, that is what we are doing. What do you do when you get frustrated? And just curious.
Just
Comment down below.
let us know.
What would we do? Eat.
At least it's hummus.
This is true.
So,
Yeah.
update.
Update number 468.
Yes.
We've ate some chips and hummus.
Yes, we did. That's about all we've accomplished today. But there's a boo. Go get him. Ain't he cute?
That was really not funny.
Yes, it was. What? My baby's sleeping. So, we put the new fuel gauge on, as Mike told you earlier.
See where I stand.
And it doesn't work. So, we now have to, as we now call our extra room because of,
Our garage.
I believe it was Sophie and Ryan.
Yeah.
They called it their garage. I think they were the ones that called it a garage.
Yep.
So this is what we call our garage.
I think most people do.
I think so too. So Mike has to clean it out. And we've got to take the panels off. And if you remember from before when we were having leaks in the boat, it's not fun taking the panels off and trying to be under there. But again, that's Mike's job.
See how that works?
So we will keep you updated as to how it's going.
Yep. I'm not going to be frustrated.
Nope.
I'm going to figure it out.
Yes.
It may be dark or 2 days from now. However,
We're going to figure it out.
we'll figure it out.
So, we left off with Mike needing to get under here. He's made it.
Hey, peeps.
It looks like he's a miner.
What's up? I'm getting to know this area of the garage well.
Yes, he is. So once he gets the panel off and we look at the fuel tank, we will check back in with you guys.
They say that it may be the sending unit. I hope not. Or it could be a wire. I'm going with a wire.
Sounds good.
That's what I'm going with.
Okay. Okay. Oh, Daddy's got his helper with him. I love you too. Thank you. So we're looking at the fuel tank. And of course the fuel tank doesn't look like the diagram. So Mike's playing with it. Oops, you okay there, Boo? To be continued. Okay. Oh, there we go. Update. There's an update. Mike is still in the hole. But we did get the gauge to move.
Yes, we did. Yeah.
Not the way we wanted it to, but
No, it moved,
we tested it and it moved. So he's
I
now
just hope it's not the sending unit.
trying to clean some wires.
Yeah. I'm hoping it's just a ground, that it's just not grounding correctly.
He's still determined it's a wire.
Yes, I am.
And this is what our Abu thinks of the whole situation. He's sleeping. So we will give you another update. Part 3 or 4, somewhere in there.
368.
Hey guys, update number something 10. Who knows? Lots of updates on today's trip. Mike?
Sell the boat. Sell the boat.
It's not the grounding wire. The old fuel gauge we think was fine, but Michael bought a new one. Because again, we didn't know because it wasn't moving.
No.
He sandpapered.
Installed it.
Yeah, you didn't install it. We got it to move, as we told you earlier. Got it to move.
Got it
Yep.
functioning correctly.
Yep. He sandpapered the something on the
cleaned
tank.
all the connections and,
Yeah.
and everything to make sure that it's not a grounding issue. Everything's grounded.
Yeah.
Everything is connected correctly.
Now, can you all guess as to whether or not our fuel gauge works?
Sell the boat.
I think that would be a no, it's not working. And I understand we looked at what the sending unit. The sending unit looks like, and we're not going to do that without somebody who may know more about these things than we do, which is a heck of a lot of people. So that will not be completed on this trip. So
again, we have to do it the old-fashioned way.
Guess. And hope you're right. And here's our little boo. Yes. My old man. So, but we wanted to make sure y'all had an update. So tomorrow morning.
That took all day, by the way.
It did take all day. So tomorrow morning we will let you know what the plans are for then.